In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on gift feature on TikTok Live. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars. Head over to the option TikTok Studio. If you could not find the option of TikTok Studio, you may find Creator Tools instead, depending on your account version. Tap on it to continue. Once you are inside Creator Tools or TikTok Studio, scroll down until you find the option called Receive Gifts. Tap on it to open settings. Here you'll see the requirements needed to enable this feature. Generally, you must be at least 18 years old, have a certain number of followers, and maintain good account standing with no community guidelines violations. You also need to be in country where TikTok gifts are supported. If you meet all the requirements, simply agree to TikTok's terms and conditions and privacy policy, then toggle on or tap enable receive gift. Once activated, you'll be able to receive gift from viewers during live streams, which can be converted into diamonds and support from your fans. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.